A mysterious interstellar object known as 3I Atlas has just collided with the Sun, creating a spectacular cosmic display that has left scientists and sci-fi fans alike in awe. This incredible event marks one of the most fascinating astronomical phenomena in recent years, as experts rush to analyze what this collision could mean for our understanding of interstellar objects. First spotted hurtling through the solar system, 3I Atlas was already on scientists' radar due to its unusual trajectory and composition. Unlike typical comets, this object originated from outside our solar system, making it only the third confirmed interstellar visitor after Oumuamua and Borisov. As it neared the Sun, telescopes around the world captured the final moments before its fiery demise, with the resulting flare visible even from millions of kilometers away. The collision released immense energy, producing a radiant burst of light and plasma that temporarily disrupted solar observation instruments. Some astronomers suggest this event could provide new insights into the nature of materials found beyond our solar neighborhood. Others believe it might even offer clues about how interstellar bodies interact with stellar environments, shedding light on the dynamic processes that shape galaxies. Meanwhile, sci-fi enthusiasts are already speculating about what 3I Atlas might have carried. Fragments of alien minerals, organic compounds, or perhaps traces of something more mysterious. Though scientists dismiss such theories, the event has reignited public fascination with the unknown and the endless possibilities hidden among the stars. Whatever the true nature of 3I Atlas, its fiery end near the Sun is a reminder of how small and fragile our place is in the vast cosmic theater. The universe never stops surprising us, and this latest event proves there are still countless wonders waiting to be discovered. If you like science and facts videos, then subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends.